was that? All right, so we just got into this trade right off of the 200 EMA, keeping it super simple. We are set up to manually lock in if we hit to that point there. I think that's like, what are we at, 89? That's like $700. And we're just gonna watch and just see what happens. Like right now, we're bouncing off of this 200 EMA and we're up $200. It's a good trade. It's obviously a good trade, but we're just waiting. And that 200 EMA is a nice little level over here as well. And we want to see if we can get this for a $700 trade. That would be awesome. What's that? 91 to 95 or 89 to 95? What is this? What level is this? Is it 700 or is it 500? Yeah, 89. Yeah, so $700. We're already at 300, gang, and we're just gonna keep going up. And this, the cool thing is this is only taking a few minutes. This is not taking that long. That's 350. Once we hit that white line, I'd be looking to lock in price. But 350 is a great trade. You know, I could stop right here, but I want to see if it's going to push up to where it's supposed to push up to. There's 375. Come on, $400. And we're just looking for where that little top resistance came down at. We're not doing anything special. Come on, $400. We'll take 375, but we want to see the full 500 at least. There's $400. That means that we are strongly pushing in the right direction. As you can see, 425. Go ahead, 500 bucks. We'll take 500 flat. Push, push, push. Normally, I would add contracts to this to the upside, but I just want to show you guys just a simple 2-contract trade. We're stalling out here at 450, right? That line is about $500. That's what I'm looking for. That's my key area is $500. There we are, 475. Going once. There it is, 525. We're above it. We're going to modify. As soon as we hit this little red line here, we're going to modify and we're going to take whatever profit comes out of that. We reverse off the white line, so we're going to take the 525. Let's go ahead and close this out for my modification. And we will take the 550. $550, just like that. Nothing crazy.